back to Matt! Matt! I got 3 subordinate seats! 3 subordinate seats! How's it okay? Keep shooting it, Matt! You got it!
I got it! I don't have my eyes on the map, but I got it!
Reverse in the air! Rappel on it!
Look at that thing.
Get inside the car! Stay inside the car! Hurry!
I'm in.
I need a north option! Window down!
Hey, windmill just...
Stop! It's gonna turn. Unroll your window! Unroll it!
You have a north option in a little bit.
How soon?
Half mile.
Half mile. Power lines. Stay in the car!
I'm in the car. Just shredded these windmills like it was nothing.